Yes, ma'am, you are loud and clear.
Okay, so very good evening. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far. It's about to end, but still it's 9:30, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, how are you today? How is this day turning to you for you?
Uh, Ma'am, I'm fine and my day as usual, ma'am.
As usual. All right. So, since we are meeting for the first time, let's do the honor of introduction. Would you mind giving your introduction first?
Okay. I'm Rahul and I did MBA from Indore and I joined Himalaya Truck Company
Which
where I'm
company?
working Himalaya Truck Company
Okay, okay.
where I'm a marketing representative. I have to sell the product to my doctors and I have to tell the features of the product to my doctors and
Okay.
so due to my actually I was busy. That's the reason I got late to connect you.
Okay. Okay, okay, fine. It's all right. I can understand because you're a working person. So you must be juggling, throughout the day. I mean, your job and now it's evening. So now you get free usually, I guess.
Yes,
Okay. So other than that, where are you from actually? Gwalior, right?
yes, I'm residing in Gwalior.
All right. So you have completed your schooling, college from Indore, any university? Which one?
Actually, my college is associated with AICT approved.
Okay, okay, fine.
My
All right.
college, yes. So I did PGDM there.
After completion of MBA.
No, no, actually, PGDM is equivalent to MBA. So I did PGDM.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I've heard about this particular program as well. It's equivalent to MBA. So it is also a 2 year program as far as I know, right?
Yes, it has 2 years duration.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fantastic. All right, Mr. Rahul. So let me introduce myself, right?
Yes,
Okay. So
yes,
as
ma'am.
you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. At present, I'm living in my hometown. And when it comes to my education, I'm also a MBA student. I'm in second year of MBA with a specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. And yeah, I do connect with co-learners, good speakers, and experts. That's how I'm doing at present, and also working on like learning new skills, and especially with the study, what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm very passionate about reading books, especially self-help books, and dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me, and I'm looking forward to our discussion today.
It sounds good, ma'am.
Yeah, all right. So please tell me about your job as well. I mean, because we cut from the same cloth, right? I mean, your specialization is also marketing. First of all, why marketing?
Actually, uh, when I went to Indore, so someone suggested me to do MBA. So I chose PGDM. Actually, someone suggested me like PGDM is quite upgraded course. So that is why I joined PGDM. And
Okay.
then in third semester, I opted marketing. And as we all know that like my professors told me that like if you take marketing, that job is easy. So that time I chose marketing, and that time in third semesters I got placed in Kentaro Water Purifier as a area sales manager, and I worked 1.5 years in that company. But due to
Mm-hmm.
some reason, I had to quit the job, and then I joined Himalaya Truck Company, where
Okay.
right now. I am working. Currently, I am working, and just I want to make my career in the field of marketing and to pursue my skills.
Okay. Fantastic. So, firstly, I mean, your first job was from the college. I mean, placement, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So can
I was placed in Kent water purifier. That was my first job.
and 1.5 year you worked there. After that, you changed your job.
Yes,
Okay, that's great. So almost 2-3 years of experience you have, right? Right now.
yes.
Okay, so will you what will you? I mean, especially your specialization is marketing, only marketing, or is there any other specialization also? Dual specialization.
No, there was no dual specialize there was no dual specialization program.
Okay,
So
okay.
I
So it's
opted only marketing in.
hmm so you are like especially I can say master of marketing, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay, fantastic. All right. So, as you have shared, I think you are learning English. I mean, in chat box on Skype that you have been learning English for 5 months, right? So, may I know? I mean, what
yes,
are your daily to do for this language? Because I generally ask with this particular question with everyone, like, what are their daily to do
yes.
steps for this regard?
At, actually, 5 months ago, I joined, and then I decided to improve my communication skills, and then I tried uh, to listen some podcast pertaining to English, and I started improving day by day.
Okay.
And apart from that, I also started reading books, but my but I do not but I don't get sufficient time to read books. So sometimes whenever I am in at my home, so generally I switch on my TV, and then uh, like I watch some podcasts so that I can learn English with the help of these podcasts. So
Okay. So,
I generally do this.
so you listen podcast. May I know what kind of
Yes.
podcast you listen?
Actually I subscribe some channels like there is a British teacher like English with Luke. So I subscribed his channel,
Her
and so
channel.
just I want to just try to imitate him to to improve my pronunciation as well.
Okay, okay, fantastic, Mr. Rahul. And what are the obstacles at present you are facing when it comes to delivering your message?
Yes, sometimes I commit grammatical mistakes, and sometimes I also struggle to form sentences, uh, and sometimes I do not pronounce correctly. So that is how I am facing these problems.
Okay. What about, as you said, that first is pronunciation problem, and sometimes you make mistakes while constructing sentences. Other than that, what about environment? Do you have like proper environment to speak? I mean, your colleagues and at your workplace, do they speak in English or any other language?
Okay, they are not interested uh, to talk in English. They are interested to speak their native languages. Like my native language is Hindi.
Okay, so at workplace also you speak in Hindi?
Yes. Actually, just I want to learn English like whenever I appear in any sort of interview so that I can crack any sort of interview without any problem.
Okay, fantastic. So as you're working in marketing company, I mean, you already mentioned the name, I think Himalaya, right? Something like that, that company name.
Yes.
So, like, you want to switch your job, is it?
Yes, I want to get better opportunities in future. So I figured out like English is essential to to go ahead. So that is why I planned, and I just wanted to give more time to enhance my skills.
Okay, fantastic. So, are you still, I mean, in the process, like, are you attempting or appearing in interviews at present?
No, right now currently I'm doing job in Himalaya company. Like just I want to learn English within a year. And like so I have like I have made up my mind like I need to give like 1 year so that I can brush up my skills. So right now I will continue this job uh, by 2025,
Okay, in
like
complete 2025.
2026.
Okay, okay, fantastic. So you said the, I guess, New Year resolution that you want to become good speaker in 1 year.
Yes, yes.
Okay, fantastic. That's great. So is there any question that you have that you like you have made up your mind for any question, any topic? Please tell me.
Yes, you can suggest me some ways so that I can improve my communication skills.
Well, as far as my knowledge is concerned, when it comes to speaking or when it comes to learning this particular language, you have to devote time every day basis. You cannot skip. And if you're skipping a single day, I mean, of course, it's like your responsibility that if you're targeted, I mean, if you have decided that it is something that you want to be good at, so don't skip a single day and listen every day, whatever that is in your interest. Make sure to listen because listening is very easy. Especially, we have to put effort in reading. Reading is something some people find it boring. What to read, book reading, and for some people, if they develop an interest in it, it's very good thing, because reading is definitely, as you said, that when it comes to sentence framing, you face problem. So when you read on a daily basis, definitely you will not face any problem, especially when it comes to framing a sentence. So reading
Okay,
will give you, structure yourself, like whatever message you wish to deliver, you can able to convey with confidence and with clarity and without any
okay,
hesitation. So make sure to read on a daily basis. This is what I have, as a suggestion for you.
okay.
Yeah.
I will do it.
Yeah. Is there any question apart from this particular?
Like just I want to be a part of your community. Like uh, just I want to be touch with English environment. So if you uh, if you help me out, if you can
Okay.
help me out, then it is good for me.
Well, when it comes to, I don't have a community as such. I have YouTube family, and yeah, it's growing every day because there are many cool learners, good speakers in my contact. Because of this YouTube channel, I am getting opportunity to talk with n number of people. But as you said that if you want to, I provide one-on-one classes as well. So if you want to join, you can like reach out to me for that purpose as well. If you wish, that's completely up to you. We have like proper session plans. We discuss, we discuss topics, different topics. Each topic has
Okay.
its own like a session note and everything. If you're interested, then we can have a demo for that reason. But yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay.
Okay, tell me about your family a little.
Uh, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker.
Okay.
And I was like I was I was born in rural area, and then I have been a student of Navodaya Vidyalaya. I
Oh,
passed
wow,
12th standard. Yeah.
fantastic.
So and I got 80% marks in 12th standard. Then after that I did BBA
Oh.
from Prestige Institute of Management. And then I
Mhm.
started preparing for government job, but because of some reason I couldn't clear. But now I get now like in 2027 I will get an opportunity again to crack the exam. So I'm also preparing for that. But
Okay.
just I need to get one backup plan. So that is why I'm trying to improve my communication skills. So like within 2 and 3 years, I should have a good command over English. And meanwhile, I'm also preparing for government job. Let's see what happens
Wow.
within 2 and 3 years.
Yes, yes. You're juggling with so many things. Because I believe that if someone is doing job, of course, job generally drain us, right? Because we have to do job,
Yes,
pressure, workload, and deadlines, and to be have to be on time. A
yes,
lot of things. So, but still, on the other hand, you have your plan B as well, that you want to crack government examination, and you have to study as well for that purpose. Okay.
yes. But as we all know that when we do anything, we get a lot of experience, and that experience will help us in future.
Yes, exactly. Experience is something very important for anything. I mean, if we try, let's suppose 10 things if we are trying, and if one or two things will work out, that's fine. But at least we have the experience of those 10 things, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And that's when I think we realize, or we come across to our like higher like potential, like okay, what actually we are good at. If we will not try things,
Yes,
how we will get to know that okay, this is something I'm passionate about, this is something I can do better. So that's when the role of trying comes. So we should try things, whatever, and whatever we can.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You're absolutely right.
Okay, so now anything at last that you want to say, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. That I want to improve my communication skills, and within stipulated time period. And
Mm-hmm.
like you have showed me a path, you should do this, you should do in this way. Then I'll do it.
Yeah,
Then
just give
I'll
it a
talk
year.
to you again.
Yeah, yeah, for
So
sure.
that I
Just give it a year actually. As you said that you have set this target for this year, this 2025. As today is 1st
yes,
of February, right? So just think that okay, from 1st of February till next, let's suppose I mean 1st of like last December, just these 11 months, you will be consistent, and definitely you will see results
okay,
within 2-3 months. You will see drastic improvement in the way you speak, the way you deliver your message. So just be very passionate and don't demotivate yourself ever. Sometimes we don't want to do practice, it happens with anyone, but always remember that why you want to learn English, and that will push you always.
yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am.
Okay.
So yes, I will not leave the journey in the lurch, but just I want to uh, I wanna be consistent in uh,
You have to.
till uh, yes.
Yes, I mean, you have to, as you decided. So now it's like you should take a responsibility on your shoulder that no, I'll be consistent. That's my goal, and you can write it somewhere. You can just paste on any wall and just see that every day.
Okay.
That's I do actually. I just do it. So that's what I'm sharing. I always set the target for 30 day, for next 30 day. I don't plan too much. I mean, for a year, okay, this year I will do this. No, only a monthly target.
Okay.
Okay, this month I
Monthly
have to
target.
achieve this things. So that's how I track my progress, and you can also track. If you plan your months, automatically you can plan your anyway you are planning your year as well. So just be consistent with it. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. If you don't mind, may I know to how did you start your journey to
Okay, for
improve your
sure.
communication skills?
Basically, I've started from the very scratch, just like you. I mean, to be very honest, my schooling was from like completely in Hindi medium, no involvement of English as such. But when I joined college first year, I thought it's high time to learn English. It's high time to work upon communication skills, because I have also done BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. So I mean, it is something. I mean, if I'm not working upon my communication skills, if I did not work, at that time, so I am like completely blank at present. I was also struggling. I mean, if I were not like worked for that purpose. So I believe that I think I have taken the right decision in the past to learn this language only. So that's why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's my brief journey. And I think I have shared in all my videos how I started, what I used to do. Same thing. No any like different thing. I used to practice even at present also. I have to, learn new concepts, new phrasal verbs, idioms. Every time, I mean, there is always something or the other that we can learn.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. All right, Mr. Rahul. I think it's time to wind up the session. It's almost 10, right?
Okay. Nice talking with you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much for joining and thank you for sharing your insights today. It's really wonderful talking with you and yeah, hope to see you in future as well. Have a good day.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night.